Good morning, guys. We are back today for harvest. Finish up these last day and a half. So yeah, let's go ahead and get that done. Team already here. Yeah, team already here getting it in. Still waiting on the build up. As you can see, we already got totes piled up down here. So I'm about to go ahead and get this started. Let's start this hanging. We ain't got much to go. Yeah, we hanging this watermelon slushy today. It should be a nice smooth day. We also got to do the transition and the reset. So it should be really something today. You usually these be the bulk of the work. This week is the bulk of the work. Uh, Okay, so we got Carl is down here banging it out on the chopping. He got that whole bay done right there that we had half of. And now just working on this bay right here. Once we get done, hey, we are off into the transition. Bring in plants from the veg and set it up so we can get on up out of here. About to get back to it, y'all. Okay, so we just banged it out here. Just got all the watermelon slushy up. Now I'm about to go and start taking this to the shipping container, and the team gonna finish hanging right here while I start the reset with Carl. Carl already taking out pots right now, and I'm about to join him at finishing this. And then when the girls get done with hanging, they gonna join us. All right, guys, I will chat back in with y'all later. Peace. about to start this transition. You know what, guys? Cleaning and sweeping these bays. It is about to go down. And we are getting to the work, guys. We got Jenny already setting the drippers so that we can put the plants right in position. We got Carl taking out pots. Me and Monica still getting the sweeping of these bays. And then we go sweep everything off the floor. Yeah, we only got really 2 more bays to go. Once we get done with that, we are going to be off to the transition and getting these plants in here, guys. I appreciate y'all for being with us, sticking around, viewing the content, watching the everyday workflow of a cannabis cultivator. Yeah, so yeah, I appreciate y'all for being here. Let us get back to work. I'll tap back in with y'all. Peace. Okay, guys, me and Carl are in here banging it out, getting this trellis net put up. So we had a little issue here. The watermelon slushy, it broke a rail or 2. So I'm about to go ahead and fix it. Yeah, this is where we keep our tools at. Okay. Nice drill there. Couple of brackets. I think we got about 3 I need to replace. Hey. Where's the rubber mallet? Okay, so we don't have a rubber mallet. We're gonna make it work though. Where it went. Usually would use a rubber mallet here to get that in there. Just gotta use my hands. Okay. This in there, guys. Let's see. Go ahead with it. Okay. Be tricky. There we go. Okay. Okay, guys, me and Carl have been in here banging it out. We got the trellis net up. We're not halfway done, but we're almost there. We're getting it in. But right now it is lunchtime and we're about to go out for that lunch break. We will get back with y'all and finish out this trellis net and bring these plants in. Yeah. Peace out, guys. Get back with y'all. We are back from lunch, getting it in with the trellis net. That's how I gotta pull it through. Be all a real hands-on view. Okay, guys, I don't know if you guys can tell, but trellis net locked and loaded. So, hey, we are about to go ahead and bring these plants in here. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead, go in that room right there where Veg is doing all of the tagging. And we're gonna go ahead and fill this thing on up, put the drippers in, so we can get on up out of here and call it a day. Man, Carl just knocked it out, y'all. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll be right back with you guys. Peace. What's up, guys? We are back in here knocking out the transition. We're almost halfway there with the transition. We got all of these black cherries in here. Yeah. It is looking good. We got to come back through and put the drippers in, make sure everything else is cool, and we can get on up out of here. Until then, I'm about to get back with it, y'all. Peace. Okay, guys, we are getting through this transition here. We are getting through it, staging the plants. We got some rainbow sherb, some hood ornament, some black cherry. So yeah, we really got it going on this time around here, folks. We are getting to it. As you can see, we are about to go on just a little short break here. Just a little short break. But before we go on break, let's go and see what's going on in the veg room. Okay, guys, this is what the veg room looks like. We are almost done with the transition. Like I say, all we gotta do is put these drippers in and we are good to go. So we will get back with y'all. Let us go ahead and take our little short break right quick and get ourselves together. We've been banging it out. So yeah, guys, let's go. Okay, guys, we are in here getting this transition together right now. Trying to hurry up and get the veg turned over. We already got everything out in the flowering room. So we are trying to get to it so we can hurry up and wrap this day up. All right. Okay, guys, we are done. Just wrapped up the transition. We got it in today. We put the plants in the flowering room and we took all the baby plants and transitioned those as well into the veg. So yeah, I'm about to get up out of here, call it a day. Let's get it. Peace.